Mamelodi Sundowns and Andile Jali have parted ways in a short statement posted by Sundowns in their official website, which reads as follows. The contract between Mamelodi Sundowns and Andile NS Jali, which was due to conclude at the end of the current season, has been terminated by mutual consent. The former Bafana Bafana international joined Sundowns in June 2018 ahead of the 2018-2019 season and has been at Kloorkop for 5 campaigns. During his stay at Sundowns, the midfielder played 142 matches and has been crowned a champion 5 times, making him one of the most decorated players in the PSL. The influential player was part of 2 domestic treble-winning Sundowns teams and achieved the same feat before he joined the club. We thank Andile for his contribution and wish him well for the future. The club and its supporters will fondly remember his performance for Gaboyelo. Close quotes. Will Andile retire from football or will he join Cape Town City as it has been rumored? Please do share your thoughts down below.